Hello, the given question statement is prove that tan A divided by 1 minus cot A plus cot A divided with 1 minus tan A is equal to 1 plus tan A plus cot A. This type of questions we have to prove LHS part is equal to RHS part. In order to prove that, first I am taking LHS part. So the given LHS part is tan A divided by 1 minus cot A plus cot A divided with 1 minus tan A. We know that tan theta and cot theta are inverse. So I can write tan A is equal to 1 by cot A and cot A is equal to 1 by tan A. Let's make the given expression in terms of tan. Now in order to do that, I am substituting cot A is equal to 1 by tan A in the above expression. If I do that, I will get tan A divided by 1 minus 1 by tan A plus 1 by tan A divided with 1 minus tan A. Okay, now if I do simplification for this, I will get, so tan A, if you observe in the denominator, we have 1 minus 1 minus 1 by tan A. So in the denominator, tan A is the LCM. So if I take tan A as LCM, I will get tan A minus 1 divided by tan A plus again copying the same. So 1 by tan A whole divided with 1 minus tan A. Now generally in fractions, we know that when a fraction is in the type of A by B by C, we will write it as A into C by B. A whole divided with B by C, we will write it as A into C by B. The first term looks similar to this fraction. So we will write it as tan A into tan A divided by tan A minus 1 plus, so now the second term is it looking similar to A by B whole divided by C. When a fraction is in the form of A by B whole divided by C, this we will simplify it to A by B into 1 by C, nothing but A by BC. So I am applying the same for the second term. Finally, I will get 1 by tan A into 1 minus tan A. Now I am multiplying in the numerator part, that is tan A into tan A, nothing but tan square A. Tan A into tan A is nothing but tan square A. In the denominator we have tan A minus 1, copying the same thing, plus 1 divided by tan A into 1 minus tan A. So see in the denominator, if you observe, in the first term we have tan A minus 1 and in the second term we have tan A into 1 minus tan A. If I want to change it to tan A minus 1, I need to change the sign convention to minus. Now I am changing the sign convention to minus, so that if I do so, then I can easily get the LCM of the both denominators. So If I do that, then I will get tan square a divided by tan a minus 1, and I am replacing the sign convention positive with negative. Then I will making, after that I am making 1 minus tan a to tan a minus 1 in order to make the denominator in the first term and in the denominator in the second term look similar. So now LCM of LCM of tan a minus 1 and tan a times tan a into tan a minus 1 is tan a times tan a into tan a minus 1. Now I am replacing both with the LCM tan a into tan a minus 1. Now I am writing as in the denominator putting tan a into tan a minus 1. So in the numerator we will get tan cube a minus 1, and this one I can write it as 1 cube, no, so that it will look like tan cube a minus 1 cube, nothing but it will be similar to a cube minus b cube identity. See, if I apply a cube minus b cube identity, that is nothing but a cube minus b cube is equal to a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. Now in the above expression, if I compare a is equal to tan a and b is equal to 1, applying the identity for the above expression, then we will get tan a minus 1 into tan square a plus tan a plus 1 divided with tan a into tan a minus 1. So now if you observe, tan a minus 1 and tan a minus 1 are there in the both numerator and denominator. When we can cancel tan a minus 1 in the numerator and tan a minus 1 in the denominator. After doing that, we have only tan square a plus tan a plus 1 in the numerator, and in the denominator we have tan a. Now I am distributing this tan a to all the terms, to all the individual terms in the numerator. Then I will get tan square a divided with tan a plus tan a divided with tan a plus 1 divided with tan a. Tan a and tan a will get cancelled, is equal to 1, and tan a once, and here tan square a is there, so 2 tan a is multiplied twice. When I divide with tan a, 1 tan a will be remain. Now tan a plus 1 plus cot a. So finally the answer is cot a plus tan a plus 1. If you observe this and also the RHS part in the given question, they look very similar. Finally the answer we got is cot a plus tan a plus 1, and let us see what is there in the RHS part. In the RHS part we have 1 plus tan a plus cot a. Are they same? Like, okay, yeah. Now we got LHS is equal to RHS. What we did is we have taken LHS part and we simplified it to RHS. Finally, we got LHS is equal to RHS. Hence, we proved the statement. So, I hope this answered your question. Thank you. Let's crack it.